The hike today was in the Richmond waterfront area along the Bay Trail. We started at Channel Avenue, and our destination was Rosie the Riveter Museum. And we're having the best weather of the year. It's just beautiful hiking out there. We had a very nice lunch at the Rosie Riveter Museum, and the hikers gave me a little birthday cake, a cupcake with a candle, because it's my birthday today. And this was such a delightful hike. I'll be planning more of them. So we're just starting out on our hike. We've got a nice group today on June 1st, 2022. We're right along the bay, and it's just a balmy day in June out here on the Bay Trail. So Allie, are you having a nice morning
I am.
so far?
Me and Kenji are.
Hi Kenji. There he is. He's the Pomeranian Husky mix.
You gave the wrong answer to his question. Your answer should have been no. I was asking you a question.
Well,
So how do you like the hike so far?
I kind of had it out there for the world.
No, I get a lot of these, I call them thinking out loud questions, and there's no answers.
Well, I do it.
So we're walking along the Richmond Yacht Harbor on a beautiful day, June 1st. It's my birthday.